Maybe you could fit a nap in. Are you a
Yeah.
good napper? I'm not a good napper,
I'm
but
not a good
I hear
napper.
people nap.
Yeah, it's like my brain keeps going, you know? Like it's really hard for me to nap. And then, to do all the fridge thing. I'm really happy. It was a really, really good trip. We had a really great time. But how are you doing? How you been?
I'm
As of
pretty good. I had a
from
relaxing weekend.
relaxing with you, yeah. I had to drive 3 hours to the airport yesterday by myself.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, so I drove 3 hours through Chicago. It was interesting. Just a long day.
Well, hopefully you can go to sleep early tonight. Feel refreshed tomorrow.
It's cute. My husband and my boy, they cleaned the robes, did the laundry, were waiting for me, so it's really sweet. Very, very sweet. What's going on with this price action the last couple of days? I watched it. I'm like, this is ridiculous. You guys traded this or you get chopped? Good morning.
I actually did really well last
Good.
week.
Good.
I didn't trade Friday. I didn't trade a few days. I had to go look.
Okay.
But like I said, in Alpha Futures, my problem now is I haven't hit the target. It's not really a problem, but I'm at 50% consistency. So I have to bring that down to 40.
Okay.
What I find interesting for me is I switched to NQ on the Alpha one.
Uh-huh.
And I was doing one contract.
Yeah.
And I was doing really well. I was just in and out, shut it down for the day, moved on with my life.
So like, yeah, once you have your, your entries figured, that's all it is. With platforms, all it is entries. And that's, honestly. So you have your entries figured out and you can take like 5 to 10 points and then you're good. You're done. Especially if you like evaluation stage, then honestly, I see.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, let me just give it a try. And I was like, oh, I'm actually doing better.
Yeah.
Because I think I don't have to be as patient. I don't have to be in it as long. I can see it. I'm in it. I'm out. Move on with my day.
Done and done.
So, we'll see.
And done. Like, so you can like dedicate, so you can have more accounts. Like you can dedicate them. One, let's say, do like what you want safer. The other one, you want to get a payout. Like.
Yeah, that's what I decided to do with Alpha. I was like, let me be a little bit riskier with this one. Let's see if I'll be safer with Tradeify. We'll see how it goes. And it's been doing pretty good.
Yeah. So that's why you like the diversifications, because it's connected, it's not gonna let me. Because the diversificating your accounts too, right? Some is like, okay, I don't want to burn it. Some of it is like, okay, let me take it a little bit more, So it's all good. So fun.
Oh, and I will say I was doing pre-market last week more than the actual open. And so I got some of those good pre-market moves, and I was just like, I'm not going to mess around. I'm just going to leave it alone.
I think that works really well in the slower markets, right? So especially minis, like your account could survive. That's why I think a lot of people like Asia session because it's like smaller moves. So if you're wrong, it's not that bad. You know what I mean? I could see like it's fun. It's good. I'm proud of you. Good morning.
Thanks, I'm proud of me too.
Yeah. Good morning, the queen. I don't know. Let's see what we can catch today. Okay, top of the hour. I know we have a video reports this week, right? So So we have the 116 level. Let's see. I don't know. This is a chop city for now. Chop, chop, chop. Yeah, nothing is happy right now. Our side's not happy. Levels are not happy. Nothing is like. I know D Queen is here. Yeah, no daily watch list. I got in at midnight and got up at 4 in the morning. Yeah, you don't want my brain to work today. I will guide you the wrong way. The one thing I was thinking, well, I saw the Mars popping up a lot. SpaceX, which you kind of know about SpaceX. People started putting money on it. Aunts, I know Aunts has been going down, but it's been on the watch list for a while, and I keep seeing them popping. I can't believe Palantir went to 180. It's crazy. It's like what, around 100? Let's see, what was Palantir at? $120. Yeah, I was right. You went to 105. See, I know my numbers. Went to 105 and now it's like 180. It's crazy though, right? Since the end of June. Yeah, it's a pretty good jump. So yeah, or if we want to watch, or if we want to watch like Mara popping a lot, I didn't do any analysis, so on, so we still have that one. Let's see. PayPal is doing good. Intel is really down, so I don't know what's going on with Intel, but I think it's a good place to buy. Good morning, Shannon. How's your trading going? What positions I have open? I don't have any positions open right now. We're just watching this chop city right now. The 4 hours is below. I'll show you guys. Look, we go to 4 hours and we turn this all off. This is what I mean. It's below the 200. Those are the levels we did before. Oh, I have to do these levels. I could do more levels. Okay. I saw Shannon typing you, like, I was wondering how's your trading going. Happy day, Melissa. It's kind of interesting on TikTok. I missed 2 days, so now they. Oh, look at that. Thank you. I caught it. I did pay attention this time. So when I was doing every day, it was good and fine. And now that I missed 2 days, I think I'm getting punished. I'm getting my punishment. So I think that's the hard part why they can't break through. I think they might save this for NVIDIA's earnings. See the big picture, right? So yeah, we'll see what happens. You're trying, I'm trying, watching and learning. We all are. So I like to when you see me quiet, I'm thinking, right? So I wanted to see why is this Chop City? Why are they doing this? What are they trying to accomplish here? And yeah, we have small little moves, but I was wondering why there's no direction either or, and it kind of explains, right? So in 4 hours you get to see. But I do think it's because the NVIDIA's earnings, right? So this week. So what we do on this side, we watch the 5 minutes. On this side, we watch the 1 minute, sometimes 30 seconds, which I like the most. And here's just another levels that I have a indicator for. That we can watch another levels. Yeah. Yeah, so I will go from 50, 60, 70 people watching on TikTok now to 7, right? So we get punished. Yeah, it's okay. Nero is here. Good morning. How are you? Where have you been? Good morning, flight. We missed you last week. Did you go on vacation or something? We gotta chit chat because this is Chop City. Okay, Indiana has crazy bugs. I'm itching. I got bit up so much. Yeah, TikTok, 9 people, 11 people watching me. Yes. Alan, hi, good morning. I hope nobody's. I mean, unless you caught some. Anybody caught anything? Was there news today? I think there was news, right? We're in the manipulation. Yeah, I think so too. Just mix. Yeah, I don't want to put my money on it. Calendar. Calendar. Today is what? 24th? Nope, we don't have anything. Yeah, we have Friday. We have Wednesday. Yep. Accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. And then, I got lurked in. I was like, okay, are we going to push through it? But I don't see the volume. Yep. My job is to keep you guys away from this. I do have to tell you guys, I missed you guys. I missed my team, and it was kind of like, I missed you guys. Is micro SMU ETF like? I don't know, like MU. Hold on, let me look it up. Yeah, Shannon, once you cross that road, you'll be very, very happy. Yes. Fusca can answer that too. You know, I don't know how to say your name. TBOSSB. We doing, I should log into our options. There's an options prop firm. I don't think I put a name on here. Nope. It's called options funded. So we we in the team are we doing the options platform together. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna call her. Let me look. Yeah, Shannon, the NQ, it's not like our futures. It's really hard to sustain for long term. So that's why we do the other things too. If you miss me that much, did you take the Dodge Ram with you? No, the rental car took it away from me. So yeah, for your options, you get to, they have like this, I just signed a contract with them, options funding. That's what it is. I'm logging in. Let me log in. Ooh, look at that. You get 70%. Uh-oh. Well, the options positions, we're not doing too good. We are down, down, down. I didn't manage them at all. I just put it on. Then when we did it together, signed a contract to be with the options funding as a, when you do things online, like if you're gonna like promote them or things, then you sign contracts with them. That's what I meant. But I just never heard about an option prop firm. So Shannon, do you do you look at that at the stock? I know I didn't post today, but at the stock channel too. Yeah, okay. Bangish is another prop firm for options props. Okay. I will have to look into that. Yeah, today, I think you were here, Shannon, right? When I was talking, I didn't do any analysis. I only have 4 hours of sleep. If that, to be honest. Okay, Shannon, you're from Indiana. Oh yeah, that's a good point, Melissa. You're from Indiana. I'm so bit up with all your bugs. I went. We had a contractor over the house, and we were talking to them, and I was outside on the grass, not sitting or anything, just walking around. And girl, I have like 10 bites. I don't know who bit me, but it is nasty. I'm itching like there's no tomorrow. So if anything can help me on this itching thing. Oh, oh my goodness. They like, yeah. No, they're not mosquitoes. The mosquitoes are tiny, but the bites, they look this big. They're so big. It is ridiculous. And the contractor was measuring and measuring this and measuring that, and I didn't realize that I was being eating up Epsom salt and baking soda. Okay. Yeah. David does lavas. Oops. Indiana mosquitoes. I don't know what they are. I saw the ants when I was with my daughter, and the ants are giant. I was like, ooh, yes. So it was hot and humid, right? So I wear like a skirt, like like a skirt with shorts underneath. So I was like, okay, it's hot and humid. I'm not gonna wear pants. Well, yeah. Good morning, Ellie. We're talking about mosquitoes because they are chopping it around here. Yeah. I logged into the option thingy that we put options. They ain't not doing good. So once the market opens, we can check it out, our options. Yeah, it's like, and not one, like there's three in that area. So it's not, they don't leave you with one bite. They bit me like 3 times in both legs and all the way up to my knee. I'm like, oh my goodness. Okay, Nasdaq, are you gonna give us anything? Chicago is really nice. We did had a deep dish pizza. It's like, yeah, it's like a pie. That was really, it was beautiful. The tour was beautiful, and we went to the beam, and the beam had sunset on the beam with the high rises. Yeah, I don't like your traffic, but yeah. Did I send you that picture with the beam and the pink sky on the beam? That was a beautiful. Let's see. It's probably like it was so magical. I don't think I've seen it. Okay, so let me see if I can send it in the chat. And obviously, like the picture don't do it justice, but it was the whole sky was getting pink, and we get to see all the downtown. We can do this one. Okay, I'll do this one. Let's see. The best city ever. You already saw my little video. My daughter put the video together. It was really cute. Okay, so if I go here, and then go here, I could do the picture. Let's see. Okay. So see, like it was pink sky, and we got there. We got there right at the sunset time too. So I Uber just to make sure that we don't miss the sunset. We watched the sunset watch the sunset on the beach. It was crazy. All the lights of the high rises were coming up, so that was just, yeah. I don't know yet. Someone's asking, do we buy, do we sell? I'm like, we do nothing here. We do whatever it takes to distract ourselves to do nothing here. Yeah. The architecture tour was beautiful. We learned that the Trump Tower and Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the same building, basically made twice, and is done by the same architect. Yep, Melissa, we sit and wait. We do nothing on this. We do whatever it takes to talk, chit chat. We can talk about recipes. We can talk about ink, how to get rid of mosquito bites. My trip I had with my daughter, but we do not trade this. Trying to keep you entertained, but we do not trade this for sure. If you look at 5 minutes, and it's still more pressure down, but we'll see what happens. Any questions on TikTok, people? Yeah, exactly, Melissa. That's what we're doing. It's back to 200 level. 7 minutes before open. Just yeah, so when I get off early, couple things we do, like I try to catch the pre-market level. I really do. Pre-market trade, but I really try to sit with the market, see what levels is reacting and all that. It really helps me to take a trade. Yeah, this is dangerous. I'll come back later to trade. Yeah, that's a good decision, you know? I'm not talking myself out of trading, but I don't want to get caught either. Okay, I don't see any questions. Sorry, TikTok people, I didn't get a chance to take a trade, nor you should have taken any trade. This is not even a range trade situation. Like, you know how you can train the ranges? This is, nope. So I'll see you TikTok tomorrow. Thank you, everyone.